छवि बनावी के अपनी अपनी छवि बनावी के जो मैं पी के पास गई और जो देखी अपने पीव।
Namaste. My name is Anuradha Bakshi, and amongst the many caps I wear, I think the one that I love the most is the one of being the creator of Project Y.
I joined Project Y like 15 years ago, and from that time I'm here. I look after like a 3 project in Govindpuri, Okhla and Girinagar. Govindpuri started in 2006, and we have here like a creche with the small children. Age group is 2 years to 6 years. So children come from Okhla. If you go to Okhla area, all the parents are working. So they do what? They just lock their home and leave the children outside. Other reason is when the child directly goes to class 1, she or he very scared. So it's a kind of preparation for class 1.
Thank you for the everything. Namaste. Clapping.
And the another section, primary Govindpuri, is we have a class 1 to class 8. And over there we teach them like all subject, Hindi, English, maths, social science, all the subject they learn in school. We support them for their study. Because like here, if you see the government school is not very good. In one class they have like 100 children, 110 children. So they cannot, like teacher, they cannot concentrate with each and every child. Dropout rate is very, very high in Delhi. So that's why we just push them back in their school and help them to finish their class 12. And we have another section, special section, and in special section we have like a 20 disabled kids, and they come here to spend their time and their day. So they are also stay here for a whole day, because like if you see other disability school is very, very costly in Delhi. So their parents are not capable to put them in a other school. So they stay at home and doing nothing. So that's why we started this class. We started this class in 2001.
One of the centers very close to my heart would be the Okhla Center, because it is actually located in a reclaimed garbage dump. But the story goes as we had two of our teachers who lived there and realized that the little children, there was no school or any other organization close by, and the children were being used by local mafias either to steal or to push drugs.
Okhla started in 2005. We have a primary, we have a secondary, we have a computer center. Right now we have like a 350 children all together. We teach them. Our first batch is it in university. The first we started with, they are in university. They finished their study. Mrs. Bakshi changed my life, and I changed my family's life. And I can give you guarantee I can change 10 more lives.
We started at this center in 2007, end of the October. It's a women and children center. It's a part of Project Y. We have so many activities like beauty parlor, sewing classes, spoken English classes, already run by our volunteers and computer classes and education program. Presently, we have more than 300 kids, more than 100 women in our women's empowerment program, and we have a literacy program. We have 15 teachers at presently uh, in this center, in the women's center. I'm the coordinator of Women's Center and Yamuna Center. It's a part of Sri Ram Govardhan Charitable Trust, Project Y. Environment is totally very fresh. There is a problems, but the people, the Yamuna Center kids, they are very open-minded, very survival type of kids. There is no electricity, no shops, no doctor, no permanent house. They're living in a temporary house. We're providing a lunch in the Yamuna Center kids, and we are running that center like a normal school. We're providing books, bags, uniform, and today we have 4 teachers and 75 children in our school, the Yamuna Center. So it's a very unique, very different project, and all the kids are very needy. We are trying to do our duty. We are except duty. We are not doing anything. We are trying to do our best. We want to expect that through the education they can change their life. At least they can improve their life. One day, definitely, when they will complete their education, so definitely they will get a good job. They can change their family life, or they can change their future.
So all in all, the Project Y family is about 1,000 plus children and 120 women. Very slowly, every time there was a need, we would open a class. Because at Project Y, we do not believe in buildings, we do not believe in big spaces, we do not believe in having big structure. Under a tree is good enough, or you can, put a tent in a park or on a street or wherever you can find place you can start teaching.